Hello friends, for success in life we need to have a high curiosity quotient. By curiosity what I mean is your ability to seek answers to thousands of questions that are surrounding you, but without expecting any concrete returns. I am Prakash Shesh, and in this series of in and out of the box videos, we are going to seek answers which you should have done long ago. That's a very logical question, and my survey says that even students of science and engineering are unable to answer this question, that an object like the mountain top, which is nearer to the sun, why is it cooler than the surface of the earth? It is indeed a perplexing question, because an object which is closer to the sun should be hotter, but in this case it is just the reverse. You need to understand a little bit of physics, little bit of preliminary physics in order to solve this conundrum. How do the sun rays give heat to the earth? When the heat from the sun rays is generated, it is because the sun rays impinge on the surface of the earth, and the earth absorbs the energy that is carried by these sun rays and gets heated up. And actually it is the earth's surface which radiates the heat, and everything starts getting heated because of this source of heat. Most of us get confused that sun is probably the source of heat, and therefore also try to conclude that a mountain top should therefore be hotter because it is closer to the sun. It is not like that. The sun's heat is first absorbed by the surface of the earth and then radiated. Obviously now if you consider the surface of the earth as the real source of heat, then obviously the mountain top is the farthest away from it. So if Mount Everest is 30,000 feet away from the surface of the earth, an object or a thing which is farther away from the source of the heat is bound to be colder than the source of the heat itself. So the real confusion that lies in most of our minds is about the source of heat. It is not the sun, it is the surface of the earth which absorbs the heat which is contained in the sun rays. A good example of this could also be that if you move your hand in the atmosphere, does the air appear hotter? It doesn't. The surface of the earth is far warmer, far hotter than the air which is there. The reason is the same, that the air which is closest to the surface of the earth will obviously be hotter than the air which is a little above, because the source of the heat is that of the surface of the earth and not the sun.
For more such interesting facts from Prakash Shesh, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.